Hi, this is Krisha from Mehta Tools, and today we are going to look at the Gemlightbox MAX. This product is 2.5 times bigger than the Gemlightbox Pro. Yes, that's right. You have more space in the bottom, in the top, and the best part is you can open and add as many things as you want. The best part about this product, it works exactly like our original Gemlightbox. So, you have all the cool features in it. For turntable, you can select the rotation from right here. You can also select the speed if you want to shoot fast or slow. There is also an option of multi-angle capture. So it takes 4 photos in different directions or 3 photos in different directions based on what you like. Autofocus is always on. And you can choose in whatever aspect ratio you like. For example, if you want to shoot something for Instagram, you can choose that aspect ratio, and like you see, it modifies it to that aspect. For now, we will go with the 1:1. You also have the option of adding a logo or a watermark. Imagine this as your logo. You can add it wherever you want in the screen for different aspect ratios. There is also an option to create retouching of images or removal of background automatically. You can also do this after you shoot as a post-editing software. Once this is done, all you have to do is align your camera, which is the new Pro camera. We will get into the details later, and directly go and click record. While this is shooting, it is also clicking pictures in 3 different angles. So for e-commerce, you are already ready. In 30 to 40 seconds, you have a detailed video which highlights all aspects of your jewelry. At the same time, you have photos in 3 different angles. Like you see, right now, the 3 photos are being generated, and like I said, they are in 3 different angles. The best part about the machine is it is not just a photography box. You have an entire title, description, product type, stone jewelry and jewelry details. This is a new Gem ID feature and certification option readily available. You can also store pricing and inventory details. So you can add a quantity until which people will be able to add the product. After that, they will be able to stop. The description, the product type, the title, everything is loading. What it is doing as of now is it is creating a title like you see, yellow gold charm necklace with round Capricorn emeralds. It can notice whatever it is inside. It can also create a detailed description. This is meta tagged, so it actually uses trending keywords and makes the description. You can also identify a main stone, and with Gem ID, it makes a profile for it automatically. The best part, in jewelry details, you'll be able to add the material, the color of the gold. You can also select the gold carat weight. You can add the total grams and then click on save. Once you do that, you can choose if you want to already put a static pricing for the jewelry in all different currencies, or you can even add the quantity if needed. You can associate it with any collection like you want, and then you just hit on save product. Once the product is saved, you can go back to the media, and over there you'll be able to see all the products of all the images that are created. Now, let's look at a very cool feature which is called collections. In collections, no matter how many products you have, you can choose to make a custom collection. For example, I've added 7 products in this. What you do is you quickly click on share and click on preview. Your customer gets this link exactly the way you see right now. They will be able to see your own logo, they will be able to see your own brand banner and the simple 7 pictures that you had selected. This is like a proper e-commerce website, because when you click on a product, you will be able to see its 360 video, you will be able to see all the 4-angle photography as well. This is 100% interactive, so you can move it around if you want. Once the client is happy or is interested in the product, they can either add to cart or directly chat with you about it. The cart looks like this. They like something, they can ask you questions about it, and they will submit their details. This is also translated automatically in 12 different languages. Once that is done, you can see it all the details, all the inquiries on this inquiry tab. Here you'll be able to see a list of all the people who have inquired with their email addresses, with their phone numbers, everything automatically. So all you have to do is simply look here, open anything. They can ask you what the inquiry is about and what the product is and how many units they want, and you can convert your client very easily. The coolest feature though of this product is the option of try on. It already has over 180 models that can be added to, which I will show you soon. But once you do that, you will be able to create a try me on feature, wherein the customer at home can use their camera. For now we are using this camera, which is the Gem Cam. However, they'll be able to use their own camera. You can pose in front of it, and like you can see, the ring appears on the hand. You can even change the index finger, middle finger, or ring finger, or pinky finger. They can also see their entire collection. So if they don't like this, they can switch to another ring and see that. This is a feature which most high-end websites also do not offer, but you will get this for free. Now, let's look at how the model images are created. For example, if I choose something like this, and I want to make a model image out of this, or let's just choose this. All you do is click on Edit Media. Once that is done, you have an option of background, in which you can select any one of the 180 models which are added in the model template. You go to background right here, and here you can choose template. Once you do that, it takes almost 30 seconds to show you an entire list of models specially made for rings. They are in different poses, they have different hair color, different skin color, and different genders. So you can literally customize whatever product you have to that particular model and share. For example, here we will click the ring option. Once you choose that, you have many different options. You can simply readjust the size, and you can put this, since this is a ring for the center finger, you can readjust it and simply save it. You also have other models, so you don't necessarily need to stick with just one. You can change the size again. You can align it like that and save. Once this is done, I will show you that the try-on feature that we saw just some time ago, that is also ready for using. Plus, another feature while this is loading, you have rotating lights on the top. All of these are magnetic. So if you see, there are yellow lights also and white lights also. If you want to choose just white, you can remove the yellow. If you want to keep both, you can keep both. And if you want to stick it back, it's as easy as using any other device. While that time, the try-on link is ready. Let's click here and see how we can try this on. Again, your customer will be using their phone or their laptop camera. As of now, we don't have a camera, so we are using the Gem Cam itself. Look over here. The ring is ready to try. The same thing can be moved to another finger, like we saw, and it's all set. Apart from this, very important for e-commerce is showing the measurements. Even that is helped right here, where you can put any number that you need, maybe like a 5 mm thickness, a 3 cm, 2 cm. You can select the color of the line and simply pull. This will help you create this for every photo. Very, very important for e-commerce. Even for this thing, you don't have to send it outside. You can do everything in this application, so you are good to go. You can also resize any kind of thing in terms of the sizing. So if at all you want to put it on any particular social media, you literally have the entire list, right from Instagram story, post, Instagram reel. You do not have to do anything else outside this application. The minute you click it, it automatically resizes it. You can choose where to frame it, and then you can save it. Once you save, everything is saved. You can add it as a new media or rewrite the overlapped one. And I think that is pretty much it about everything. It also comes with an entire range of attachments. There are attachments for something like rings, which is a ring clip, which magnetically attaches to the top or the bottom. You can also have floating attachments for things like bracelets and baby cuddlies. So you can hang watches, bangles, bracelets in the air and show a floating look. You have the same thing as you do in the Gemlightbox, which is additional things for white sparkling effect, which attaches magnetically to the side and it gives you a more shiny look to the jewelry. You also have that in gold. Apart from that, there are earring attachments as well and the regular necklace attachment as you know about. For more details on the attachment and how to use the camera, you can refer to our Gem Cam video that we have created where we have shown how to shoot every accessory. For any other questions that you have, always contact Mehta Tools and we'll be happy to help.